Ndị Igbo anyị ekene unu ọya iwere n'ụbọchị nke taa bụ Wafọ Igbo fọrọ ndị Igbo n'anya nke ukwuu na-achọkwa na ọdịmma ndị Igbo ka ndị Igbo ga-eji weta oke ha na Nigeria. Ana m ekwu maka Evangelist Elliot Ugochukwu Uko ọya ka anyị na ya were ụbụbọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Ihe sị na m ga-ajụ wee bụ ebe ọ bụla ị mere ịkpọrọ okwu ma ndị okenye ma ndị ntorobịa ezu kedu ụdị amamihe ma ọ bụ ike ebe isi eweta ụdị ike a ebe ndị okenye niile ezukọ ebe a?
First of all, to God be the glory. But the truth is, because I've been long on the stage and just go for 20-something years. You just say I'm from American as well. From American, I try to contract. From them, what I see you the government from that the honest I remember that's good. I remember when they say vegetable soup as and here, like Fafukara for more than 20 years. That is why we faith in me. Go at that with the work. Now I got there for the first 1 year, 2 years. And then longer 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. It be consistent, the upright, the steady. When you have that, and I'm imagine this is what you're doing. So I thank God for the grace of God. Yes, I agree with you. The crowd will do Remember that I told you people in Nigeria are like a book before the end of this year. Now, what's not going to if I was, if I didn't do that to 7th February, if I sat there. So, crowd to buy to what in there, without announcement, without nothing, just phone call, by the chair, over 20,000 people came the Bible professional campaign coordinators in the outside. Who's ever as a threat? Chairman, family not the infradi for me, Igbo campaign coordinator. How does you achieve? Fafuza, the more than without money, without effort. Money, but I never go.
Makahande, how could you need him? Oh, yeah, but I never go to the phone. So, I dream which you can make a farmer. Because I didn't think ebe ndị okenye nọ iche ndị ntorobịa na iche maka na
iwe the youth na the kind of particular people but now the kind of next at home 2017
again
1 week later ndị ugwu nye witnesses Buba head song guys Muslim people ebe na-eti government all ndị be anyị agwazi Nnamdi fatijiri gị Abuja Nnamdi pepembe wiwe atọchi funye wodo ọsị nebaka Nnamdi ga-ewe iwe n'ọkwa chief kept the man from there Father goes the story not that he gives us a Father Nnamdi Father take on camp that's the way you even they want Nnamdi can you but activism here and agitation there create an opportunity for dialogue. And the dialogue, the Igbo politicians, they say, "Farmer, what's here?" I believe me. Or they come and attack the Igbo individual. I believe me. That is the truth. So they were wrong in not telling it.
Makane kusire kpaya.
Yes. But boy, I said the delegation. More immense for that. There points in the different.
Each of Kaku.
Good. They completely ignore, even one leg something on the chair.
Okay, now.
That is the genesis of the crisis. I can't carry we work out now the West Amazon governors, unless Archbishop Anthony some people. That's not also can prove I can do that. They have now struggle, now bump, no one can do that. I'm sure people in a row, Prof. Some big people must have not the way you're the average of the I wouldn't do that anyway. So people will be anywhere. I believe me. No farmer go live, no farmer go, no farmer, no farmer to do that. They became so angry, enraged. All of them, the Ghana, it. See, whatever body ever did, I want to everything. 8 months after I was there, the only people that could build than the car last week.
Yeah, me, Hannah.
So down there we were, and then the car was over. John and said, the other one, so probably did. Or something had trust on the other guy, hijacking his throne. They have on the devil chance. They have already it's probably a different election next year. They have trust of that is the bone of contention. Therefore, we say he was about even. That's the truth.
Yeah, me, Hannah, job, and nobody, Ibukana.
Well, I'm not going to back. Yama trust about now. I do again. If I get hijacking the guy, when I do politics. Go see one candidate who, not from our neighbor. We have a better vice president, also secretary house. They have to bear my best and Bishop Obinna. Only the positions will be well. About the guy who is he? Because don't know about perhaps from doing one time. I think we're grab back, I guess, maybe somebody here, all the kind of there. I want to see here, 8 months after I want to see here, the entire people that obey the guy. Government spent billions for what? Waste year go for nothing. Spend year go. Everyone because as a journalist, the Lagos, would they go there, mobilize them. September last year, but they didn't the Kano. Every retired journalist we are called and paid to attack Kano. But those are wheelchair, they were all paid. Journalists, the time 20 years ago, actually, I know that now, today, the same elders and leaders cannot hold any meeting anywhere in the land without military protection. Playing a referendum, helicopter referendum, they are driven in, a walk in the for the whole week event anywhere. Then, see their life. You are with family member. Pride, who please? Pride. Family mistake. Family mistake. I want to go to one night. The one the treat now is never treated as if you have an entity. What if you have no plan was it? Now I made execute. Now I brought that. I can't abide the last year for still or walk. Everybody knew if I get good the evil does like I all on the young man and the other start home. Now when I know Kunapuja, can even move they totally completely ignored him. That is the genesis of lack of trust between Fufania. So, but the government was a free for one to again, Burundi get to go there. Oh, what's it on the other one about your money? I'm not been out of the other one about naturally, I got a number of entities. Jemity Tabuda, far rapidly. Now, to be able to develop the negotiation, was there a lack of trust, lack of confidence. That's the truth. Because I'm in the center of the context. So I know things most people do not know. I know that some deputies with governors who are now the governors, maybe the governors starting from August last year. And I don't do that. I'm a father. When I'm going to move, so I know everything. Even the elders offended him. And he was angry. Olu was there trust in the family. Or trust was the family. Then, other people, so many things on our column about certain presidential candidates in Yugu, that shop for vice president. About certain house, certain people politicians that he used to, now the guy will trade there, position over to the vice president to that politician. Or was it the actual there? No, so. Professor Beck, who is 87 years old, almost 90, and Archbishop Anthony Binda, who are the politicians, can't also be immediate in negotiation. You were always there, the professional politicians. If we get, I was saying, every job, I was saying, I want their backup. If we get a problem.
But I'm also I say, may sit at home on a gang coma. Because also I get Megidi here. Here, and the IPOB natural, or Rundi, but I be with a Biafra. More irrestruction, Nigeria, go over and but in Maca,
can we back to it was the first republic. And we're Northern region, Western region, Eastern region. Come on, boy. Good. Okay, black and bad. Economy.
Okay, Michael, Opera.
Good. Asia to the regions. Eastern region will be the most. In fact, Banya, they are going to Dubai of West Africa. You know why? I went to Papa. I went the best people in na America na taxi ebi na America one name to America my younger brother to funda na from the last one na okay professor of pediatrics in America my younger sister to funda na doctor in America in America go fa possibly America na for na for doctor odibo ndi ba ni talent de my friend cholo in the time go do say no so see the back to the regions kind of say bad oh one can buy we was not from Africa someone's never see everything's never see more see remove all the tag as terrorist group the terrorist group see the proscribed offer the fabric your job offer they don't say from what it's about terrorists and proscribed offer I work every year 1 year work by next year it's got to you know why fresh after the election so even when I'm going to do believe the national did not come to one election election Boko Haram to see
I war and it's not hard to
2.something million votes I never vote against that is Nigerian INEC magic. So next May 30th, we have a few weeks after election. Even on our going to the parliament, if the national election again, they make careful idea. If in fact, if you don't best this after the can, because the people love you, people believe in you. You're prescribing him. It doesn't make sense.
Man, Guinea,
obey.
Guinea,
I believe never cheer. Actually, never cheer. It's still a prescribed. One year, the person. I think the man doesn't. Nah, I'm not going to think about it. What I'm going to do, I'm trying to put the war.
Makana ofoni me aga weku ewopta won ku oku dika hasi ku makana dika hasi arotaka ni mirikiti ni me ha na ndi ugu na akwado ha ka abia cha na Igbo ya mere na ha agaghị apụta kwuo okwu otu a Nnamdi Kanu na-esi ekwu ya gbowa ọzọ dịka ibe ya oso n'ihe mere na enweghị ka esi kwute ndị Igbo niile ezukọ ọnụ sị ka ajụba ndị na-achị ebe Nnamdi Kanu
na legeretu ani Igbo ụdịka elegant and 8 months ago na Brendan by the bullet was coming there papia na me I want to forget na the way I want to wear right? Now, I said, I thought you have a terrorist group, right? I said, a proscribed group, right? 8 months later, when I already in that government portrait in that, you're that 85% of the whole Dubai may obey. The president did so that I'm for trouble. There was no far from DC, no far from DC, no far from the DC. Farmer will work anywhere without the 70,000 they provided for about car protection. For trying anything, Oba can never get disrupted. For over the 7 days, helicopter, they have a protect the war from the soul. They cool themselves with the only that. In a very cool position. Very cool situation. Leaders will do for IPOB, they prescribe them. Attack the terrorist group and begin to talk with them. That's not the way out. Because the masses are with IPOB. As shown last Wednesday, that thing took place. Confirmed for the whole world to see. Newsroom, my cousin, newsroom in Lagos, my cousin Bomo, they say, I'm going to the phone to say, what put your photo, vacate here, empty streets.
Are you where be from mother?
See, but government in Abuja, now,
see what said what I
think was complied with. Do some of the pictures of empty streets. I go for
Manandi BBC see over those of the corner.
Go to BBC, but yes, not to BBC. Clearly, if you fully empty streets all over Ghana. I mean, so the leaders have already choice that to prescribe IPOB or target terrorists and work with it. They want to have a choice.
Odema, oyisi, ihe ndị ntorobịa ga na-ekiri number 1 ine ga na-ekugbu abụ. Ị na-eme ụdị ihe otu a. Ị na-atụ ego ndị nche na ndị obodo.
First, So if I'm there, she's like, I'm going to and we video getting any instruction. So if I'm there, video game, what's happening? So the conspiracy. Some people are so I can make. So be it. Yeah, first time I will remember I will this year. I'm not going to see it. I will video that at the event of my death. The one who will call, you know, what? So, first of all, I will. They want to come and them this year.
Chineke agaghị
Well,
ọ dị mma Chineke gozie gị
thank you.
onye anyị na-akparịrị ụbụbọ bụ Evangelist Elliot Uko ị na-achọ ọdịmma ndị Igbo ọ ga-adịrị gị mma onye isi Chineke gozie gị